Hey guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. Recently, I got to know of a very good business opportunity which is especially very useful for housewives and students because this business idea does not require any initial investment. That is, it does not require you to put any initial amount of money for you to start the business, and also it can be handled completely from your home. So without wasting any time, let's talk about it. But before starting the video, I quickly wanted to let you guys know that this video is also available in Hindi. तो आप में से वो लोग जो इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना पसंद करेंगे वो ऊपर आ रहे लिंक पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं और मेरे हिंदी चैनल स्लिक एंड नैटी हिंदी पे जा सकते हैं। आपको हिंदी वीडियो का लिंक वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा। Now, most of you would be aware about the business of reselling, in which you purchase some kind of stuff, which could be anything. So you buy these at a lower price from a manufacturer or a wholesaler, and then you resell these after applying your profit margin. Now, this is a very old business model, and this was traditionally run through retail stores and shops. And then with the coming of Amazon and Flipkart, people started reselling online because they got access to a wider customer base apart from their local customers. But selling on Amazon, Flipkart, etc. requires that you first of all should have contacts of some manufacturers or wholesalers. You then have to make a deal with them and then put in a substantial amount of money to buy stuff from them in bulk, which you can then resell. So you basically have to risk some amount of your money, and you also have to agree to Amazon's commission rates, terms and conditions. But with this business opportunity that I am talking about, you can surpass all of this. So coming straight to the point, I am talking about an app called Meesho, which lets you do the business of reselling without you requiring to put in any money or purchase any kind of stuff. All you need is a phone with an internet connection. So let me take you to this app and show you how this business is done. First of all, you can download the Meesho app by clicking on the link that I have provided in the description box below this video. Now, as you can see, this app has a rating of 4.5 stars, it has 29,000 reviews and has been downloaded by 1 million users and is one of the top apps in the business category, which speaks a lot about its credibility. Once you will install this app and register on it, then it will open to this page, which will show you some popular products which are available for reselling. You can scroll through these products, or you can click on show all categories to see a complete list of the categories under which they have products available for reselling, which is quite an exhaustive list consisting of something for everybody. You can click on one of these categories that you want to sell products from and explore it further, or you can click on this collections tab at the bottom, and then it will show you different collection of products like Christmas sale products, all-time best sellers, popular products, saris, men's jackets, watches, etc. And now, for example, you want to resell kurtis, so just click on the kurtis tab and then you can see the different kurtis which are available. And if you like this selection, then you can click on it and then you will be able to see all the products which are available in this catalog. Now, if you want, you can share one of these kurtis by clicking on the share now button below it. It will take you to your WhatsApp account where you can select the friend or the group with which you want to share it with. Or you can share the whole catalog by clicking on the share entire catalog button. And then all these pictures will be automatically copied in the WhatsApp window of the person that you have shared it with. Also, by clicking on the copy tab, all the product description that is written here can be copied to WhatsApp or anywhere else where you want, and thus you don't even have to write anything about the product while trying to sell it. And by clicking on the share button, you can share it to Facebook and other such pages. And then you can see the orders tab at the bottom, on which if you will click, you will be able to see a record of all the orders that you've received so far and you've placed with Meesho. And once you've received an order, then all you've got to do is go to that product on Meesho app, add it to the cart, select the required size, select the payment option which has been selected by your customer, and enter the address of the customer. Now, after entering these details, you'll be asked to review your cart, in which you will have to add your profit margin on the base price. Now, this profit margin is entirely up to you. For example, this item is for 947 rupees and I want to sell it for 1200, which brings my profit margin to 253. Now, if you want, you can sell it for more than 1200 or less than 1200. It's entirely up to what you think should be the right selling price. And then Meesho will take care of the rest. They will deliver the product, collect the money from the customer on your behalf, whatever be the payment option, and they'll even take care of the returns. So all the logistics is taken care of by Meesho, and hence this is a completely hassle-free business that you can handle totally from your home. Also, if you need any help regarding how this app is operated or how business is done through it, then you can click on the Learn tab at the bottom, and here you will be able to see many tutorial videos. You can also click on the contact button to mail or call Meesho people for any help, and they provide help in both English and Hindi. Finally is the account tab, where you can go and enter your bank details, and all your earnings will be directly credited to your bank account. The profit money earned by you will be added directly to your bank account 10 days after you entered the order details in Meesho app. Meesho people take these 10 days to pay you the money because they give 7 days return window to every customer that you get. So guys, all you've got to do is pick up the catalogs of your choice from Meesho app, which already have the pictures and the product description, and then share these on WhatsApp or Facebook. On WhatsApp, you can share these in your existing WhatsApp groups, or you can even send these individually to your friends or relatives, or you can create new WhatsApp groups specially for this purpose, in which you can add your friends or anybody who you think would be interested in buying such stuff. And as far as Facebook is concerned, it has many groups which allow you to promote the products that you wish to sell. So you can join these groups and share the catalogs from Meesho app. You can even start a Facebook page, give it a name of your choice, invite your friends to follow and like this page, and then start posting stuff from Meesho app there. It will look like it's your own store, like you've started your own business. No one will even come to know that you are doing this through Meesho, because Meesho's name will not appear anywhere when you share the catalogs from their app. The possibilities are endless. So just click on the link in the description box below this video, register on Meesho app, check out all the products that they have, and then start reselling. Now, just to understand the kind of money that you can make through this business, let's assume that initially you keep your profit margin low at about 200 rupees per item, and you convert about an average of 5 customers every day. So you are making net 1000 rupees profit every day. So in a month you can easily make 30,000 rupees. And this 30,000 comes straight into your pocket. You don't have to spend any money to run this business. Also, when you will be doing this business, running it successfully, then there will be people who will come up to you and ask you about it. So you can refer others to Meesho app using your referral code, and for every person who will register through your referral code, you will make 250 rupees. So you can earn this additional income as well. So guys, I genuinely feel that this is a very good hassle-free business opportunity for all you people out there who've been itching to start something of your own and start making your own money. Now all you've got to do is click on the link and register yourself on Meesho app. So I hope that you found this video useful. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.